In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a list ID in Clickup. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're coordinating projects or integrating Clickup with other apps. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to go to the Clickup website. You can do this by simply typing clickup.com into your web browser. This will take you to Clickup's homepage, often referred to as the Everything app for work because of its comprehensive feature set designed to streamline productivity. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically found at the top right hand corner of the page, and clicking on it will direct you to the login page. Now, if you have a Google account, you can make the login process quicker by selecting the option to sign in with Google. If Google is managing your Clickup account, simply click on the Sign in with Google button. You might be prompted to choose from a list of your Google accounts, so select the one associated with your Clickup account. Double check that you're logged into the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Clickup dashboard. This is your central hub where all your workspaces, spaces, and lists are organized. From here, you'll want to focus your attention on finding the list whose ID you need. Navigate through your spaces until you locate the exact list you're looking for. Click on it to open it up in your browser. Once you've opened the list, you'll notice that the URL in your browser's address bar has changed. This is where you'll find the list ID. The ID you're looking for is actually part of this URL. It is typically a sequence of numbers and letters found right after the L portion of the URL. Make a note of this ID or copy it to your clipboard for your records or for any integrations you're planning. And there you have it, you've successfully found your list ID in Clickup. If there's any part of this process that seems tricky at first, don't worry, a little practice is all it takes to get familiar with navigating Clickup. This ID can be very useful when setting up automation, syncing with other apps, or just keeping track of your lists more effectively. Hopefully you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy Clickup navigating.